Hey girl, hey, as promised, I'm bringing you more videos, not sped up, so you guys can totally get the concept of what I'm doing. I've already pre-waved her hair, and of course, y'all done seen me do that a million times. If you would like a recent updated video of how to do basic finger waves, leave a comment below, and I will let you guys, I will upload that video for you, no problem. But I am getting started with Main Life Collection flat iron. Now the very small flat iron is by Glam Palm, the one that I'm using right here. It is smaller than a 3/10. It took me like a while to love this flat iron, but now I do. It's just like with any new tool, using it, it kind of got to get used to it. It had a weird feel when you squeeze it to curl. I felt like it just wasn't working. But I learned how to work with it, and it actually works for me now. It was sold out for a long time on Amazon, but it is back in stock. I will link that in the description box below, and any coupons that they may have to go along with that. This flat iron that I'm using right now is the Main Life's Collection 3/10 flat iron. Y'all stay tuned for our Black Friday sale. I know it's a little early, but y'all stay tuned for that because we will be having those flat irons as a doorbuster. So if you want to get one for yourself, your client, your hairstylist girl, grab you one. And right now they're still only $69.99, so very affordable. If you can't wait to Black Friday and you want to grab one now, girl, go get you one, okay? But anyway, back to the curling. So when I'm curling like a style like this, if you're new here, then you kind of get the fresh idea of what I'm doing. If you've already been here, then you probably already seen this. But you are basically curling in the direction of the wave. Now, in some instances, you want to curl in the direction of the wave, but the hair is just not cooperating and it wants to go the other way. Let it. There's nothing wrong with it. It'll still come out nice. But just don't try to force it, because what happens, the hair just won't lay down and the style won't look as polished. I have these combs. I got these combs from Amazon as well. I love the metal tip combs because it's easier for me to work with. And then you can see the, it has that part. But when I'm doing things like silk press, I definitely love the Main Life Collection carbon comb when doing that. But anyway, back to what I was saying. You just want to take your time. Don't rush. And when I get around the hairline, because she is thin around her hairline, I don't really pick up the hair there. I pick up the hair that's like behind it, and I just don't manipulate the hair around the hairline at all. And that will just keep that looking, more polished, and the hair stays laid down on her edges. So you try to curl it and they have thin edges, and sometimes it's just gonna look, well, most of the time you're gonna be able to see that more. So I definitely suggest always just leaving that part down, and don't try to manipulate it or curl it at all, and just kind of blend the curl in with it, and everything will just turn out great.
Me twice.
And thank y'all for tagging me. I get a lot of people, mostly inboxing, just showing me how you guys curled your hair, and you got, you watch my videos. So thank you for watching. I'm always grateful for that. And don't be afraid to, if you don't want to tag me, or if a little shy, you can always inbox me on Instagram and show me your work. I'm not here to critique your work, but I just love to see people recreate my looks. When I get to the middle of the hair, my goal is always to cover the part so it's not like a big part and then it separates like the from the front to the back. If you can do that, that definitely makes a big difference in how your style comes out.
Me twice.
For the front, she did want it up a little bit, so I'm just doing it slightly, taking little pieces of hair and kind of just curling them in different directions, but going up so that she has like a little lift in the front and it's not all flat. She usually just come and get finger waves and that's it. So I was surprised that she actually wanted it curled today. I put a little bit of mane oil in my hands before I am picking out the curls and just kind of picking out everything and making the hair look a little fuller in the top. And then I'm going to go over her edges with Main Life Collection Main Wax Stick. You can get that also at mainlifestudio.com. And what that does is just allow her hair to stay slicked down on the side. So when she tied up, it does not move. It is not hard. It has a firm hold, but you can definitely comb it out. Then I'm gonna spray her with Kenra's Holding Spray. Y'all know that's my favorite spray. And then I'm using Nairobi's Oil Sheen. I forgot the name of it. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.